Hello everyone, my name is Satyam and you are watching Civil Site with Satyam. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most important powerful feature of Bexar Manager, which is clash detection and quantity takeoff. In clash detection, we identify conflict early in construction project and generating accurate quantities in extreme important. And Bexar Manager will help us to do this in this fast and efficient way. So in this video, we understand step by step how to run clash detection and analyze and resolve issue and how to generate precise quantity takeoff report using Bexar Manager. So without any further delay, let's do it. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update on civil engineering tools and site knowledge. So let's begin. So what is a clash detection? Clash detection means finding places where two elements in a 3D model occupy at the same space or interfere with each other. Something that should not happen in the real construction. Just like example, a duct passing through the beam and or electrical conduct intersecting with the water pipe. So we identified this issue where proper. So let's open the project. They are the files which needed: architecture, MEP and structure. These three drawings are very necessary for clash detection. So this is my model, as you can see. So the first is, go through this clash detection, click it and create a new job. In new job, we identify structural versus architectural, and here the hard consecutive, we go with a hard. In hard, the tolerance level is 0.005 meter. So run the test. So here the clash detection analysis is completed. The clash was detected as found is 2829. So let's check it. So here we can see show output. Okay, this is the test method, and okay. So my job is created, and here is the all clash which is detected is found. So click any clash and view. So here you can see this is a clash between the, so there the screen, this shows the clash between structural foundation or structural pile cap. So let's go to another one. This is the entry, and this is slab. This, let me as you can see, the clash between is slab, structural slab on grade 2 mm. So you can see here we identify the red one is the clashes. So here my clash detection is completed. There are created a new job. There are the clash types. There are the almost 5 types of clashes. There is hard consecutive, clearance, duplicate and contaminated. So basically we check about only hard and hard consecutive. So moving ahead, my next topic is quantity takeoff. In quantity takeoff, we create a quantity we create a quantity of structural column. So before moving ahead, deselect all and select structural column. Okay, so here you can see my structural column is we go to the perspective color code. So go to new, type structural column quantity takeoff building categories. Here is select structural column. Okay, there the element is shows 205. Now we add building level. In building level, now we add quantity. In quantity, we put volume, add count, click generate, and this is a color code. So this is a set color code rule. Click OK. So here you can see my structural column is entry level, floor, second floor and third floor. So moving ahead, now we go to the cost editor, create new classification, structural column. Okay, now creation wizard, quantity takeoff by structural column. You can also take schema, but we already coded a quantity takeoff. Okay, so you can see now go to resource, add. Here you can see add resources. So RCC is a material, quantity type volume meter cubic, and RCC unit cost is 7,500. Now add another resource, mason. Mason is a labor, time and by day. Day rate is a 600. Assume. Add another. Form work. Day wise and 20 rupees. Now we add only 3 resources. Now go to the classification editor, select these 3, go to the edit cost item. Here we will resource, add, form work and OK. Here you can see we add the resources. Here the daily output is 1, production hourly is 1. You can change according to your specification. Okay, so you can see my unit cost is formed. Now go to the so we go to the auto assign to new cost version, assign it. So here completely we assign our resources. Now go to the cost estimate. Here you can see quantity takeoff is completed. Material cost, they show the material cost of the only structure member, labor cost, equipment. Now this is a floor wise. If you want to generate this report, go to the export cost estimate, create, Now this is my Excel file which can be used in a report. Here we can see quantity type, volume, total cost, what is the material cost, labor cost and equipment cost is defined on our report. That's all for the today video on a class detection and quantity takeoff in Excel Manager. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to identify clashes, resolve issue and generate accurate quantity takeoff report. If you found this video useful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more civil engineering tools, BIM tutorial and site knowledge, thank you for watching.